Hey, what's up, everybody? Today I'm going to share with you my investment with Celsius Network, and of course, it is really a wow moment today that basically I've invested in Celsius. Basically, technically, I did not invest anything on Celsius, but just put my money there, and eventually, basically the out of 2 years, my journey with Celsius is around 2 years, and for that, I would say I have already made around 12K worth of cryptocurrency for basically putting money into Celsius and basically getting it paid in Celsius Network. So Celsius Network token. So before we get started to the video, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video. And of course, before we talk about Celsius Network, I would like to let you know about this product, which is a health supplementary drink, which is a keto diet product, which you can drink it, and after that, from there, basically it's going to improve your lifestyle and of course for better health and stuff like this. So if you are interested in the product, the links down below, just click on it, and after that you can see over here, just click on the learn, and after that you can learn everything about keto diet drinks provided by Prove It. And after that, let's talk about Celsius. So basically, what is Celsius? As you can see, Celsius Network has already revamped their website, and it is much more, I would say, lively, and of course you can see earn more with your crypto. So basically over here, right now they are providing lots of currency over here, so you can head over here, and after that click on your initial USD investment, and after that from here choose the rates and stuff like this, and in Celsius token, and after that in the original coin. So you can see these are the difference and stuff like this. So basically I'm gonna get straight to the point. I'm gonna show you that how much I have made in Celsius throughout this year. Throughout the year. So over here you can see there's only $1,000 in my wallet, because basically I'm going to show you the whole history of my Celsius Network journey. So as you can see, I'm using a BlueStack over here, therefore it's very slow and laggy. So I'm just going to scroll all the way down. And as you can see, on the 31st of July 2020, 18 Celsius is only $7.50. So right now it is around $19 plus. It's loading. So I would say I'm lucky, because I was in the early days. I found out Celsius quite early, and after that I chose to receive my interest in Celsius token. So you can see Bitcoin over here, 238 Celsius, that at a point was only worth $30. So right now it is really, like, I don't know, almost 8 times the value. So I'm just gonna scroll the way down. So basically over here you can see I received the first Celsius token that I have just by signing up on the platform, and after it's on the 10th of May 2019. So basically my journey on Celsius is only 1 year plus. No, around 2 years I would say that, because previously when I started off with Celsius Network, they did not have this option, and then enabling the earn in Celsius token payout. So basically that time you are only able to deposit Bitcoin, and you'll get paid in Bitcoin, and after that they have an option for you to earn in their native token. Therefore I just enable the option for all my payouts over here. So at that point of time I was holding Ethereum, Bitcoin Gold, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, PEX, and Bitcoin, and after that lastly XRP. And after that over here you can see the first payout that I received on Bitcoin. You can see it is 292 Celsius token, and we can see the price of basically the details over here. So at that point of my holding, I would say I have around, I do not know how much Bitcoin I placed in at the start, but it was quite a large sum. Therefore I'm able to receive a higher payout or something like this because of my higher initial capital. But to be honest, I would say that this investment is totally free, because basically the platform, I did not even pay anything for the platform. It's just basically accumulating my Bitcoins from whatever I bought. So over here you can see on the 27th of May, 11:50, 229 Celsius token was issued to me at a rate of $28. So you can see this is, basically right now it's worth around $300 to $400, 350 I would say, around there. So at a back at the point, so 291 we're just gonna use this, and after that divide by 28.21, and yeah, basically it doesn't work that way, so it's 28.21 divided by 292.61. So basically one token, one Celsius token is only less than 10 cents at the time. So if let's say why didn't I purchase Celsius token is because one, because I did not foresee it to like grow that fast throughout the years, but to be honest, it was a free investment, I would say. So over here you can see I have earned a total of $14,000 throughout my whole Celsius journey. So basically, yeah, basically I have like free money from Celsius by hodling my crypto onto their platform. So if you say that, I will not say now if you join it is too late or stuff like this, because Celsius has potential to grow, because basically their motto is unbank the bank. So basically they are basically using the bank's business model onto onto Celsius network, and after that basically they pay 80% of the profit towards the community, and after that they use 20% to pay themselves, and of course the operation and stuff like this. But what the bank does is basically they take maybe 90% of profit to themselves and 10% to communities, and after that communities meaning customer that has stored their their fiat worth of like 100 over thousands, and after that they get 2% per annum, stuff like this. And after that you can see Celsius is doing the opposite. Therefore I would say in a long term, I would say because right now DeFi is out and stuff like this, and Celsius has already been in the industry, I would say, but they are still centralized because basically this as a contract and stuff like this, it will make instead of using DeFi, because on DeFi itself it is quite complicated for new users, and after that if you want to just get a loan and using collateral as let's say Bitcoin, and after that stuff like this, Celsius is the to-go platform, I would say, because you can pay off your crypto with Celsius token and you get a cheaper rate and stuff like this. And so basically on my platform itself is only showing $1,000 worth, 1,000 Celsius, and after that it's around 1.4k what I've done with my Celsius. So I'm gonna share with you and be totally transparent with you what I've done with my Celsius. So over here I have sent in 5,534 Celsius, and after that I've traded it for, how much is it? Just gonna be transparent and show you how much token was received. So basically over here you can see I've received 19.46 Ethereum, blah 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 Ethereum, and after that I send it up to my wallet, and what they have done with the Celsius with the Ethereum that I've received from Celsius, so $5,000 over 5,000 over Celsius traded for 19 Ethereum. So I would say right now you are going to be thinking, hey, but right now Celsius is worth higher, and of course you can even get 20 Ethereum out of it, but to be honest it is, I would say, you have to learn to take profit. So basically during my time in Celsius, I told myself if Celsius reach $1 it will be, basically it's a 10k free, because I have 10k Celsius token. If it even reaches $1, I will be like having free money out of like nowhere, just by accumulating, just by earning my interest in Celsius network. And basically it is a win situation for me over here. And after that what I've done with my Celsius token is over here. You can see over here I have done the Uniswap thingy, and after that from there the DeFi stuff like this. And as you can see over here, I have withdraw another 4,000 Celsius onto my wallet and done this capital this investment. So basically 19 Ethereum that I received at the time, 3,991 worth of Celsius is around 13.37. So basically at the rate itself is 1 Ethereum towards 298 Celsius at the moment, that during today, I will say yesterday in Singapore time, over here I'm going to show it to you. So it was 7 hours ago. So basically 7 hours ago, 391 Celsius token is worth around 13.37, and after that I'm going to show you the information over here. So within 7 hours of providing liquidity onto the Uniswap pool, I have accumulated a total of $16.28, and after that the liquidity is estimated around 9.5k. And after that you can see the balance over here does not really tally up, because over here you can see 13.37. Right now it's 13.56, and after that over here it is 3911 Celsius. Right now it's showing 3947. So basically, how does this work is a bit complicated, I would say. Basically, you're providing liquidity. You need to have onto Uniswap. You need to have Celsius and Ethereum, and after that, from there they are gonna tell you the rate. And after that, yeah, just gonna show you the whole thing to let you understand better. So over here itself, let's say you're gonna click add liquidity, and after that you want to do Celsius token. And over here you can see, during the time I wanted to place in 4,000 4,000 Celsius token, but unfortunately I can't, because of the slippage and stuff like this. So eventually they have gave me 3991, and after that basically I have withdraw how much from Celsius. I have withdraw 9,534 Celsius token out of the Celsius platform, and yeah, basically generate more passive income. Because DeFi, it is, yeah, basically you can see the ROI over here. I can just show it to you. $9,000, around 9.5k, and I have already earned estimated $16, and you can see it's just within 7 hours. And yeah, you tell me, if you put $9,500 in the bank, you can't even earn that much. So basically, yeah, I just diversify my investment, and after that decided to try Uniswap because it has been around for quite a long time. And after that I have seen the pair Celsius and Ethereum, and after that basically, yeah, why not? Because if you are going to do this liquidity pairing, I would say you will need to, because on this platform itself, the fees that you have earned is in either the token that is being traded, and after that Ethereum. And after that, of course, Ethereum, you have trust in Ethereum, and of course for Celsius, if you do not have trust in Celsius, there's no point doing this, because you're gonna you're gonna get Celsius for fees as well, and after that for Ethereum as fee as well. Therefore, you will be like, I would say, wasting time. And of course, I would say that over here you have to see the token that you're gonna like provide liquidity with. You have to see if the token is worth it for you. Like, do you trust the token? And after that, the next thing is, have you done your due diligence on the token itself? And after that, is there enough volume? So we can see the volume on Celsius, Celsius pair. So over here you can see the volume has been like $5 million, and after that you can see the fees in 24 hours is around 16,000. And yeah, basically people are trading Celsius token, and after that on Uniswap, and you can see it is just a few minutes ago. And yeah, basically people are either swapping Celsius for Ethereum or using Ethereum to buy Celsius and stuff like this. So yeah, there's always constantly there's gonna be trades done, executed. And after that, for my for the pool that I've gave, yeah, basically I'm receiving passive income. And after that, yeah, basically that's all that I want to talk about. Like, to be honest, if you want to get started right now, you will never know. To be honest, I'm still holding around 4,000 to around 5,000 worth of Celsius. If you want to exclude the Uniswap one, basically here is 3,900. If you want to exclude this, I'm right now purely holding 1,008 Celsius token that has been, yeah, basically is on the Celsius network platform over here. 1,000 over Celsius token. And after that, yeah, over here there's still some Celsius. So basically, if the price of Celsius is gonna dip or something like this, I'm gonna use, like, I don't know, my Ethereum to buy up more Celsius. And of course, yeah, hedge it for the future. Of course, because of the company growth and stuff like this, basically 1 year ago it is worth 9 cents. Right now it is worth $1 plus. So you can see that that is around times, I would say, times 13 of your investment if you purchased Celsius previously at 9 cents. Let's round it up, 10 cents. If you bought it at 10 cents, right now it's $1.30. And after that, basically, how much is your investment? You have already 13 times your investment. And of course, to be honest, only cryptocurrency, I would say, is able to do all this crazy stuff. And after that, you have here people like making tons of money, and after that, like, yeah, became a millionaire because Bitcoin just like from $100 head over to 20k, and they sold there and they became a millionaire. And of course for Celsius, yeah, this is a good story that you can hear. And after that, from my basically this is my own experience, and I want to share it with you guys because you guys are watching my videos and stuff like this. And of course, it is not late to, like, I would say, put money into Celsius and earn in Celsius token, because Celsius token itself, it is very good. The utility point, I would say the use case is basically you can hold a Celsius token and you get a platinum tier. And how does their platinum work is because I would say the strategy they are doing is they are very smart. So over here you can see your Celsius ratio. Basically you will need to how they calculate it, you can just click on it. So over here you can see your loyalty is determined by the ratio of Celsius and the other coin towards your wallet. So let's say you have 10,000 worth of coins inside, and you will need at least 15% of it to be in Celsius, and you will be platinum. And after that, if let's say you are a whale, and after that you have tons of bitcoins, and after that you want to place everything in, yes, you can place everything in, but you will be if you do not have Celsius token, you will not even be a silver tier, and after that you can't have this earning bonus of 10, 20 or 35 additional. And after that, this is one of the use case. The second use case of Celsius token is basically discount on loan interest. So basically people are constantly taking loans from Celsius network, and after that from there, if they want to save on fees and stuff like this, over here you can see you're gonna pay 30% lesser, so which is a lot if you are let's say doing a loan and stuff like this and paying. So basically over here, calculate the interest, and just gonna explain to you how does it work. So basically, let's say you want to buy a new car, it is worth $10,000 and you want to use Bitcoin as collateral, and after that over here you need 1 year to pay it off. And basically over here it shows the thingy. So basically if you're going to choose 50% loan to value, basically you will need lesser Bitcoin to set as collateral. And after that over here you can see if you're going to pay with stablecoin or USD or Ethereum or other cryptocurrency to pay off your interest rate, every month you have to pay $66. And after that it is interest rate of almost 8% per annum. And after that the total fee that you're going to pay is $795. But if you buy up Celsius token at cheaper price, and after that eventually pay it off with pay the monthly with a Celsius token, you are basically paying lesser. Therefore this over here drives people to buy more Celsius token and pay off their loan and stuff like this. And for the staking part, it is basically you need to hold to get the platinum member, and after that from there platinum member will give you higher discount rate. So basically I'm trying to explain to you how do they, like, I would say, like, boost the price of the token, because if more people are holding, and after that there's going to be lesser supply on the market, and after that the demand is high because people are taking loan and people need to use Celsius token to pay off, and eventually the price of Celsius is going up because of the supply and the demand. And because the supply is being people are hodling the supply, and after that the demand, people are desperately wanting to have Celsius token to basically pay off loans. And something like this, you understand where am I getting. And after that from there you can see the price of everything is booming. And after that this is real time. So basically if I want to remove it right now, I will just remove it, and I'm going to receive this amount of Ethereum and this amount of Celsius, and of course together with the fees. And of course just only 7 hours I have earned 16, and I would say I will just gonna hold it longer, because if I place everything onto Celsius, the APY is not that high. Therefore I would not mind hodling it on basically Uniswap, being a liquid provider. And after that link chain as well, I have placed some into it. And after that basically this is the journey that I'm doing. So if you are interested in Keto, it's a health supplementary diet, just click on it, and after that understand what is it about, and it's going to improve your life and stuff like this. So that's all for the video, and I hope you like this video. If you like the video, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, leave a thumbs up to this video, and after that see you on the next video. Peace.